Hey, Brad, real quick. So what's the order of operations so far?
What, this car?
Yeah.
Strip it.
Okay, so we're gonna strip it starting from the front, right?
Yep.
All right. So what are we doing? Oh, Jesus Christ!
Brad, you fucking lied.
You just gave me mesothelioma with that asbestos ass shit.
2 fucking screws on you. I mean, 2 fucking nuts on you. For 75.
How you doing?
What? Did you say my government on the camera?
You said what?
Nothing.
I mean, what's your hood name?
Code name Kid Next Door.
K&D. K&D.
Race car.
He's backing the shit out. He's attempting to get a bolt out.
Oh my god.
So we get the bumper off.
I remember when I stopped working on shit.
You said what?
I remember when I stopped working on shit.
Not tonight.
Drive it, enjoy it, listen to music. Like,
That's what you got that one for. You literally just got that one for that reason. Are you ready?
Because look, unplug your headlights. Yeah, not ready.
I did.
When I come out, my car's fully stripped. You can't say shit about you having AC.
No, I didn't.
Oh wait, hold on. I got a little turn
No, I'm
signal
just
on
put
it.
AC heat back on.
Do you hear me?
What?
When I come out and my car is fully fucking stripped and it's a body of
Just shake that bitch.
It's like one. Hold on.
No, it's coming right off.
No, there's 2 more.
No, it's coming off. You're good, bro.
No, there's a bracket holding it on to the fucking frame.
No, it's holding the fender on.
Bro, I'm looking at it. It literally goes from the fender to the frame. Wait,
That's what I'm
yeah,
saying.
you're right. I'm dumb.
Like, great, tell me more.
I'm big
I
dumb.
told you exactly what you said.
All right, go ahead, pull it off then.
Oh, I think I did forget something?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on the bottom. I forgot about it. Yeah.
Well, thinner at the bottom. And then these fenders.
Can I what?
Can you like catch the bumper in case it like...
Oh no, you got it.
You got it, bro.
You're strong as it falls.
You're good. We're watching.
Oh my god. We're watching.
I highly doubt it falls.
Yeah, I do too. Well, this side's. Yeah, this side's
What's
out.
up there?
Yeah, this side's out.
Here's some rust on every one of these bolts.
Yeah?
Be all right.
Car's 1988, homie.
You done yet?
Teenage. Yeah! She changed her name on Facebook.
Bro.
I logged into Facebook and was like,
His
"What the fuck
rust
that?"
is not playing with
It's like,
I can't get the socket around this rust.
yeah, I have no clue.
Why didn't you use the drill with the impact?
Hey Brad.
Hey,
Hey Brad.
what?
You tell me. Tell me.
You didn't grab it. I mean, what do you want me to say?
I don't know. Exactly that. I didn't grab it, obviously. Fam, I don't ever want to do this again. I see why they put they cut the front end off this bitch. See whatever.
Oh, watch yourself. I barely pulled that bitch.
I told you it was about to fall.
You'll be okay. Whatever that thing is.
In the beginning.
Now this comes unbolted.
You really just need to go for something bigger and stuff.
They didn't tell me a 2
Oh,
impact.
yeah, Skinny still has it. How is that supposed to say?
It's heavy. We just knocked off about 7 pounds off the truck. And then those bumper brackets pop out. That one right there.
Yeah.
I've only been pointing at them for like 3 minutes here. It's like a, what is it, like a 15? I lied. I don't know what it did, but it definitely didn't help.
No, it did. The whole
yeah,
thing
it
comes out.
Okay.
The whole thing.
He just got his hand. There you go.
Oh,
That's why Brad
Brad wins.
is a dad.
Are you done?
No, I'm not, because I can pull out. However, it pulled out too late.
And that's why you got a kid. That's
I don't pull
nailed it.
fucking sweat. I don't pull out. You guys give me way too much credit here.
Is there any bolts back there between the bolts?
Let me see what
You were like,
read all about it.
That was good.
you taking that one home with you?
Huh?
Taking that one home?
Taking what home?
Fender.
Why would-
It's full, fam.
Full.
That sounds like a full sound.
I think it's just stopped up. Fitting off.
Okay. So what'd you just do? So you
Look at
got
this one.
this whole wiring harness. This
This is the factory
flopped over.
engine harness, and then we're getting rid of that.
What are these things?
I don't know. They ran the condenser though.
Transmission
this one's
cooler or something
straight through here.
Or fans.
Okay. So, all right. So we need a big ass like
Hand me that,
adjustable wrench or something. All right. So we have wiring harness mostly removed for the engine and stuff. I just got whatever the hell this thing is taken out.
I found a live brown recluse. Let me kill that real quick.
Okay, live brown recluse. You should eat it.
I'll give you $5.
Bet you won't.
Will Raid kill a brown recluse?
I'm sure.
Actually,
Alright, so
motherfuckers.
got a little bolt on the bottom of this, got that separated. Gotta pull this thing out, this computer. Now we're gonna be able to pull the wiring harness out. Bruh. This man is not playing with his wiring harness.
I don't think it's anything, bro. You might just flatten that shit.
look how.
How easy that is.
Yeah.
If I could see, that'd be great.
So use bolt cutters on your wires, boys and girls.
For multiple
We don't
wires.
need that where we're going.
For multiple wires at one time.
Let's pull out a 4-foot pair of bolt cutters. Boom. So now.
In my boot.
There we go.
Hey!
Hey!
So right here, we gotta. These are all spot welded in. We gotta take a drill bit and drill. There's three here, three here, three here, three here.
Hey, buddy.
Race dog.
Race dog.
Diesel.
Ready to ride?
That's 400 horsepower right there. Put that motherfucker on the ground like he's the Flintstones.
Oh. That's 4-wheel drive. So, I just like seeing you struggle. Oh, dude, look at it from this side. There's a whole fucking thing holding it in.
I know.
It's a bolt. There's a
I know,
bolt
it's
right
right here.
No, on the other side.
Don't force it.
Or that one too, yeah.
Oh no, so there's a bolt on this side?
Yeah, there's a big one on that side.
Okay.
You feel it?
Yeah. And it's kind of loose. Maybe it has nothing to do with, me damn near breaking
Hey,
it.
look at that.
Look at that. When you do shit civilized, it works.
Nothing about this is civilized.
When I'm lonely.
Front end cleaned up. Get some of the dangly bits out.
The what?
Dangly bits.
We're gonna need a new heater core probably.
Why do you get so awkward when I pointed at you?
I don't do cameras, bro.
Is that yeah, you do? See, here's the thing though. If you didn't know,
we need a new heater core. It's literally like rusted.
Oh yeah.
closer.
Ooh.
That used to be a part of that.
Gooey.
You know what? At this point, we're just not gonna run heat.
All right, bet.
I really
Easy
want.
enough.
I really,
Full race car.
Cheap as
literally,
possible.
just
30
because-
days.
just because that happened, literally right there. Because I haven't looked at the heater core yet. But
It looks like garbage. I mean, well, from what I can see, it looks like trash. There's shit falling apart.
Looks
You-
looks like a Babbage asshole.
Hey, bro, stick your head under the dash real quick.
That's just like my son while we're in here. Hey.